The following program on cardiac auscultation contains heart sounds with very low frequencies and low intensities. These can be best heard when listening in a quiet environment and using a good pair of headphones with a frequency response down to about 20 Hz. To be sure your sound system is capable of reproducing the range of frequencies utilized, we are providing the subsequent test. Please listen to the following 3 tones. If you were unable to hear 3 distinct tones, you may not be able to hear an accurate reproduction of the heart sounds included within this CD. Cardiac Auscultation Pretest. For questions 18 through 25, listen to each of the heart sounds and identify it from the following list. Split first sound. Normal split second sound. S4. S3. S3 and S4 quadruple rhythm. Early systolic murmur, 1/6. Late systolic murmur. Diastolic murmur. 18. $19. $20. $21. $22. $23. $24. $25.